Okay, so now we have a trinomial, and now we end up with an x squared all the way to the right instead of to the left. So what are we going to do about this? Well, we have a thing called so we have what is called the AC method, where our C is going to be 63, our B is going to be minus 82x, and our A is going to be positive 24, right? So let's pay very close attention to that. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to try and break the middle term into two pieces so we can factorize 4 instead of 3 things. So let's try that. Now, it's called the AC method because we're focusing on the A and the C of the equation. So just to highlight that aspect of it, right? Now, what are we going to do with the 24 and the 63? I am not going to multiply them. Let's see what we can actually do with them. Okay, so a lot of guessing goes into this, right? However, you do have the prime factors of 63 and 24 that can help you out, right? Now, you have to deliberate on it a little bit to see what two numbers when combined can give you 82. Let me show you what I mean. So the aim of this game is to split 82 into two numbers that are products of 63 and 24 when we rearrange them, right? So let's try this combination of numbers. Okay, so when we combine it like this, we will have what? 7 times 2 times 2, which is what? 7 times 4, which gives us 28. Right, so where was I? Yes, so 7 times 2 times 2 is 7 times 4. And of course, the 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. The 3 times 3 times 3 gives you 27. 27 times 2 gives you 54. And if we were to add 54 to 28, we would have 82. And of course, if both numbers were negative, then of course, when you add them, you would get minus 82. Right? So that can help us out with the terms. And if we put x beside each of these, then what we can do now is replace minus 82x with minus 54x and minus 28x. So that's the first half of this journey. So stick around for part 2. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.